So guys, we are on our way to Zermatt, and as we said, we'll be taking the route via Meiringen, and we can see that there are specks of snow on the roadside, on the pavement, as you can see right here, and leads us to believe that the snow has just recently melted.
And we are at 1500 meter height. इस height पे snow होना ही था, and we are literally in the clouds a lot of times. That's what it's seeming like. However, there is no snow, so it has just melted.
Yeah.
See this. This. Is there a snowstorm kind of thing?
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
We literally can't see anything down below.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go slow over here for safety.
Yeah.
Visibility is about 100 meters right now. Which is not bad.
We are literally in the clouds, Akshay.
Yeah.
जो हम लोग देखते हैं ऊपर से कि the peaks are in the cloud, अब वही हमारे साथ है.
Okay, this is like hardly any visible. नीचे का कोई visibility ही नहीं है.
धीरे धीरे.
Yeah, obviously.
डिसेंट होगा, राइट?
yes.
ऐसे
और पीछे गाड़ी आ रही है और मैं इतना फास्ट नहीं चला सकता.
यू जस्ट रिलैक्स, यू डू योर थिंग. नीचे पूरा आइस है. वो कहाँ जाता है?
कुछ नहीं दिख रहा रे.
ठीक है.
नहीं,
क्या
कुछ नहीं है दिख रहा.
तो क्या हुआ? धीरे धीरे चलते रहो. और साइड्स में तो लगे हुए हैं. नॉट अ बिग डील.
प्लीज और नीचे ले चलो.
और तुमको ही आना था रात को.
सोचो क्या होता है.
तुम ही सोचो. Should I give you chewing?
ना अभी तो खाया चाहिए.
नहीं, ऑरेंज चाहिए और चबाने के लिए.
नहीं चाहिए सब. ओह गॉड, सन भी आ गया. सन कैसे तो क्लियर हो रहा है.
हाँ फिर. वाव, that is some view.
अरे बाप रे बाप. Oh my god.
चला गया.
Alright, we have just like ascended all the clouds and the view has changed dramatically. Like
Right.
so dramatically.
Yeah.
So this is some place we don't know. We'll find it out in the map and put the location in the description. We are on our way to Zermatt, and there are two routes to it. One is via Kandersteg, and then one is via Meiringen, and we took the latter. And we didn't expect. We just didn't expect this view. I mean, this was not planned. Basically, the snow has started melting, and we drove through all of these clouds. We we started at around 1400 feet and we drove I don't know how many kilometers, but we finally came out of the clouds once we were at 2100 feet. And no words at all about how beautiful this place is. I remember seeing something in one of the James Bond movies, something similar to this, where they've shot in Aspen, which is actually in US, but the feels is exactly the same.
Yeah, it's beautiful, and I think, I don't know, वो पूरा धुआं के बाद suddenly clear skies. बोलते हैं ना कि clouds के पीछे then there is like clear sky, वैसा ही feel हो रहा है. I mean, look at the sky, the color.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Non-polluted, clear, fresh air.
The air is crisp and fresh.
Yes.
लोग बोलते हैं mountain के ऊपर क्या होता है? Thin होता है कि thick होता है कि कुछ तो
They
ऐसा.
say the air is thin,
Yeah.
but we aren't feeling it so much.
Yeah, we are
It's
not.
pretty.
Oh, it's so pretty.
The wind also is pretty pleasant. It doesn't have a bite to it.
Yeah. हम जस्ट निकलने लगे वहाँ से और हमने देखा ये लेक. आई मीन इट्स सो ब्लू. इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट ब्लू फ्रॉम व्हाट वी हैव सीन इन द प्रीवियस 2 lakes that we did yesterday and day before. ये बहुत डीप ब्लू है एंड आई मीन आई एम श्योर द वाटर इज आइस कोल्ड बिकॉज लिटरली वो आइस पे है. तो बट लुक एट हाउ ब्यूटीफुल. लाइक आई कैन नॉट इवन से, मतलब पूरे माउंटेन रेंजेस आइस के बीच में. एंड आई कांट इवन इमेजिन ये विंटर्स में कैसा दिखता होगा. आई एम श्योर इट मस्ट बी फ्रोजन, बट ऑल्सो लाइक फुल आइस केप माउंटेन्स एंड दिस लेक. इट्स beautiful. Like beautiful words are not doing justice to how beautiful it is. और ये है हमारी गाड़ी और फिर सारे स्नो के बीच में हम,
और हम अब निकलेंगे क्योंकि वरना
Yes.
हम
लेट हो जाएंगे.
जरमैट के लिए काफी लेट हो जाएंगे.
Yes.
निकला जाए.
Yes. Let's go.
So guys, this is the reason we do road trips when we come to these European countries,
Yeah.
because there's only so much, and I think it's almost become routine to do those same places again when you're doing it by train or when you're just visiting the main towns.
Because you don't have access to these places through public transport.
Exactly.
Like, that is the biggest problem. यहाँ पे locals रहते हैं and हाँ, that's it. Like I mean, there were hardly 5 cars that passed us in the last 2 hours. So
Yeah,
people are not coming here often.
absolutely. And as I said in a little while ago while we were at this place earlier, this is one of the less traveled roads to Zermatt from Meiringen, and that's the reason why we took it, because part of
Another
it.
reason is also this, Akshay. Look at the path that we are going to follow. We'll put a photo there.
Yeah,
This is a nightmare for people who are fearful of heights or have travel sickness, and both of which I have.
Yeah.
So a little bit on edge at this point, but we are extra careful. We carry a lot of medicines, and Akshay also knows, because we have been road tripping for years now. Akshay knows exactly how to take care and how to make these turns to make it comfortable for me. So all in all, I manage, but in case I panic and I want to vomit or something like that, then he's always there taking care with medicines, etc. So that is also an important aspect.
And what we're going to do, as Sangeeta mentioned, certain medicines which really help you manage such kind of routes. We're going to put the names of those medicines down below, which will help you with your motion sickness, travel sickness, and any sort of overwhelmingness or anxiety that you may feel in such routes. We'll put those medicine names down here.
And the biggest medicine is gum, which I'm chewing right
Yes.
now. So this is not out of, not good manners to be chewing and talking. But chewing really opens your ears.
Yeah.
One doctor a lot of years back told me this, and this hack really works.
True that, and what I was saying was essentially we took this route from Meiringen to Zermatt, essentially only because the next roughly 80 kilometers is part of the Glacier Express route. So
You didn't tell me this.
I didn't tell you this because I was scared whether we'll be able to make it to this side of that entire winding path. The next about 80 kilometers is going to be part of the Glacier Express route, and we're going to be seeing some more amazing views, some more amazing sights, and we're really excited for that. So coming back to where we started, this is the absolute reason to do road trips. And for folks who are feeling that driving out here is tough, it isn't at all. In fact, it's easier than India, barring getting used to driving with the left hand steering, which takes about maybe a day or two. As long as you really follow the traffic rules here, follow the speed restrictions, all of it, you are good to go. And guys, honestly, whenever you're exploring, at least Switzerland for sure, when you're exploring it, do rent a car, do travel the road less traveled, and soak in these views. You will not get these views anywhere else.
Because honestly, like every travel vlog that there is on YouTube, be it Indian, be it abroad foreigners, we have watched everything. And there are few who do, a lot of bikers actually do a lot of these routes, or people who are trekkers do these routes. However, by car we have seen very less like family people doing these sorts of routes. Touristy places हमने किए, but जो हमने ऐसे off route places किए वो ज़्यादा अच्छे थे और भीड़ नहीं थी, and they were the best ones, like nature at its peak.
Yep. So now we're gonna keep driving to Tash. Okay, so now this is also something you guys need to know. Zermatt is a car-free village, so we cannot take the car to Zermatt. We got to park the car about some 7 kilometers away from Zermatt in a town called Tash. So we're gonna be leaving our car there for 2 nights, and then we'll be taking a train to Zermatt. And it's a small village. From the train station, I think our Airbnb is about a 10-minute walking distance. And now we'll leave you guys to enjoy the views again. Guys, the Matterhorn, if you can see the silhouette, it's already visible from here, and that is close to Zermatt, and that's where we're going. Wow, didn't expect to sight the Matterhorn this early on in our road trip. And as I told you a little while back, we will be following the same route as Glacier Express, and the sights are much more beautiful when you travel by road. You can actually take pit stops and enjoy the views, soak the views, absorb the views. So road trips for the way.
And also cheap, right? As we had discussed, I think we had shared in our previous vlog that Glacier Express is like 42,000 one way for both of us. और वो हमने मतलब hardly anything in petrol में कर लिया, and we are taking stops.
So that's where we parked our car in Tash before finally taking the shuttle train to Zermatt. More on that and what we did in Zermatt in the upcoming vlog next week. Until then,
Toodles!